Alright, let's get started learning our first 5 notes. In the next several videos we're going to show you notes, where they lie on the staff, the note name, and the note fingering. You'll need to remember the fingering when you see the note later on and associate it with it. Now, every once in a while we change method books, and so we've decided to include the exercises right here on this page, make our very own exercises. All you need to do is download the music from the purple music download icon on each exercise. Now in this next video we're going to show you how the exercise is played and then offer you backing tracks for you to practice along with it. So get your instrument and you'll be ready to go. The lead line for each exercise is a saxophone. But remember, if you're not a saxophone, I will show how to play your note on your instrument beforehand. So get your instrument and we'll get ready. This is the verse note for the clarinet. It lies on the bottom line of the staff. The note name is E. All notes are given a letter name, A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. This one is E. And the fingering is the thumb and the first finger on the clarinet. And that note looks and sounds like this. Thumb on the back, first finger on the front, no other fingers. Now what I'm doing with my tongue is I'm starting with it on the reed and dropping it as if I was saying D. Okay? Okay, if I was to do multiple E's, I would be going D, 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 D. Tongue flicks up to touch the reed to start each note. Okay, now that you know that fingering for that note, go on to the next exercise and it'll help you learn how to play it. And then you can also download the music, which is the purple icon, the music download icon for exercise 1 on this page. Every exercise has a music download icon. Just print out the music and you're ready to go.